Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2026 Zontes 703, our naked sports bike. It's not just a bike, it's a caffeinated cheetah on two wheels with a PhD in tech wizardry. Ever wondered what happens when a sport bike binge watches sci-fi movies and hits the gym? Meet the Zontes 703R, where alien aesthetics meet track day aggression. So let's dive into the specs of this beast. 699 cubic centimeters inline, 3-cylinder, liquid-cooled DOHC, because 2 cylinders are too shy, and 4 are just showing off. 95 horsepower at 11,200 revolutions per minute. Revs like it's chasing a comet. 75 Newton-meters torque at 8,500 revolutions per minute. Punchy enough to make your spine giggle. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.07 seconds. Blink and you're in next week. Top speed, 250 plus kilometers per hour. Legal? No. Legendary? Absolutely. 17 centimeters TFT dash. Basically a smartphone glued to your cockpit. Smartphone connectivity, riding modes, traction control, TPMS, heated grips, USB-A and USB-C. It's got more tech than your first car. Fully keyless. Because keys are so 2020. Aluminum twin-spar frame. Weighs just 12 kilograms but can bench press 2 tons. Marzocchi front and rear suspension. Adjustable. Because your spine deserves options. Quick shifter, up only. For that buttery smooth, I'm a MotoGP rider feel. Front. 120/70ZR17. Rear. 180/55ZR17. Sticky enough to moonwalk on. J. 1/4 piston calipers, with dual 300mm discs. Stops harder than your ex's texts. Dual channel ABS. Because skidding is for cartoons. Nearly everything. Headlamp, tail, indicators, even its attitude. Ram air intake. Sucks in air like it's trying to inhale the future. Futuristic bodywork. Sharp enough to slice bread. Bold enough to turn heads. If Batman rode a sport bike, this would be it. The Zontes 703R. Built for the track, styled for the galaxy, and priced for the rebels. Well, what are you waiting for? Raid the piggy bank, and run out the door to your nearest dealer. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. Until next time.